everybody, Michael here. Today I'm showing off a fixed Honda Spree 50cc scooter from 1986. It's my nephew's, and me and Cameron worked on it on and off for several months, putting new parts, and we got it running and holding the idle. It had a vacuum leak in the carburetor, so the last thing we changed out was the carburetor, and it's running really good. Speeds to 30 miles an hour, good acceleration. I have some new CDI and some other units we changed out here to make sure everything is in excellent shape. New spark plug. The oil level's good, the gas is good. The gas is fed through a vacuum system through a Petcock and to the carburetor, and everything has to be perfect because it's a two-cycle and it gets oiled from a separate oil tank, and we got it running perfectly. I've tested it for 1 day. I'm going to test it now on camera. The plastic covers are over at my nephew's house, nephew Rick. New carburetor down there. Let me get down lower. Yep, that's the carburetor, and it has an electric choke. This is the new CDI that gives it a higher RPM for a little more zip. That's the voltage regulator. They got a starter solenoid. They got all sorts of good stuff on these scooters. And the air pressure in the front tire is 18, and the rear tire it's up to now 24. It has a manual start, which works. We tried it out. Battery is a fairly new battery and fully charged. All the lights work, the horn works, signal lights, mirrors, everything. Let's see if we can get it started electronically. Run. Keys on. Look at that. It's purring like a kitten. Pretty cool. I was 25 already. We hit 25. Use the signals. Backing off. Got a turn coming. Nice. Woohoo! Just got pep. Got a back brake, a front brake, night lighting, everything. Pep up the hill too. Good acceleration. Wow. Woohoo! 30. 3-0. Nice. Man, is it running good. It's never ever ran this good. Shock's working. Front brake, back brake, everything's working. And the idle is good. It started cold. It's running hot now, and the RPM only went up very little. Or about the same. Feels like 800 to 900 RPM. Very nice. Set the key. Yep, the Honda Spree 50cc, 1986. Like I said, my nephew has all the plastics, so it's gonna look real nice. The vacuum leak on the carburetor was a stripped screw on one of the hoses that fed the carburetor. So Cameron figured it out by spraying either carburetor spray or starter fluid around that area, and the RPMs changed. So that proved that there was an air leak, and that's why it was intermittent. You could do a run and get up to 25 to 26, and then at 27 it was dropping dead on me, and then it was dropping dead at 10 miles an hour, and you couldn't get it to idle at times. So all these new parts, thing was running brand new. Now the Honda Spree is reliable. Michael here with another interesting motorized vehicle, the Honda Spree 1986. Bye for now. See ya.